Hi everyone, I'm Maria. Today I'm going to make this flower pendant. First, I choose the size of the mold. I also use this plastic bag with pattern on it. You can find this at stationery store or bookstore, or you can reuse your own pattern plastic bag, but you should choose the clear one. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm using this UV resin and put it into silicone cup. Comment below if you want me to review this UV resin. Then add this black resin pigment, just 1 drop, and mix it well. Next, pour it into the mold. Then spread it well. Next, cure it for about 1 minute using UV torch or UV lamp. It should be like this. Then I pick this flower, then cut it. No need to be so precise. Next, add tiny drop of UV resin. Then spread it well. Next, put the flower on top. Next, cure it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add another layer of clear UV resin. Spread it well again. Next, add UV resin to make small handle or mini eye pin. Then cure both for 1 to 2 minutes. Take the shapes out of the mold. Add final layer of the UV resin to the front side. Next, cure it for 1 minute. For the back side, add black resin so it won't be seen through. Spread it well using toothpick. Cure it again for 1 minute. For joining the pendant and handle or mini eye pin, add a little bit of UV resin. Put it on to this side. Cure it again for 1 minute. Ta-da! It should be like this. Last, put the necklace and it's done. Okay, the flower is a little bit see-through somehow, but it's okay. And this one is an alternative solution if you don't have PVC sticker or any kinds of embellishment. Last but not least, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.